Okay, I am going to start today by reviewing yesterday's stuff by using this book for my daughter. So all of these books, funnily enough, start off with, this is a ball, and this ball has energy. This is a ball, this ball has zero energy. But this is the best part. All balls are made of atoms. There are neutrons in the middle, purple, and protons also in the middle, and electrons in outside rings. Yay! Now today's stuff is this. An electron can be here or here, but it cannot be here, and this is super important for one of the demos we're doing, or there in the nucleus. All electrons have energy, and this electron has the most energy. This electron has the least energy. An electron can take energy and move up, if it doesn't say that already. Oh, and to jump up. But it must give energy to fall down. This amount of energy is a quantum. I'm actually going to use this word. Quantum is the fancy name for that just little bit of energy. Quantum is a specific amount of energy. But we're going to do more with this in a second.